Right. Now I'm going to start the problems from this book, 41 years IIT JEE Physics. Right. So if you are thorough with electric lines of force, so the topic today we are going to discuss IIT JEE questions based on electric lines of force. If you are thorough with the properties, 15 properties, whatever we discussed, we can do any problem from this one. I'm selecting the problems from this book. Fine. So hopefully, if you're thorough, you'll be telling the answers from this previously asked questions, right? Let me start the question. First one, question number one, which is given in 1996, 2 marks question. So at that time, there is no advance or means one screening test used to be there, right? Which is given for 2 marks question. So 1996 JEE 2 marks question. At the time, the weightage of this question is 2 marks. Is given now. First question: a metallic solid sphere is placed in a uniform electric field. The lines of force follows the path, right? So if you have this book, okay, even if you have this book, in this one, page number 433 and problem number is 12. So page number 43, and this is nothing but Arihant publishers, right? So now I'll give the options for this one. This is a solid sphere like this. So first one looks like this, second one, third one, and fourth one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Carefully see. So at that time, it is an integer type question, or ABCD also we can write this one, right? So this is given. So option A is 1, option B is 2, option C is 3, option D is 4. This is given, right? So can you tell me what is the answer for this one, right? So D, 4, D, and D we are saying, right? So most of them given correct answer. Anybody else? Go read D4, right? 4, Pranita 4, Andavi 4, G2, Illuri 4, good. Lekia 4, and next. Anybody? Pravalika 4. Chalo, और कोई है? Anybody? So this is 4. First, a metallic solid sphere is placed in uniform electric field. So this is a metallic solid sphere. Metallic solid sphere. Metallic means it is a conductor. So which property it will be? First one is not correct. Why? Because why? Can anybody tell why first is not correct? Because electric lines are entering into the conductor. Here also it is entering. Here also it is entering. Right? So inside electric field is 0. Electric lines are 0. Fine. Electric lines are 0. So what is the correct answer? Inside it is 0. So only we can say that the fourth option is correct one. Why? Because inside it is 0. So can you tell me which property based on this question is which property in our yesterday discussed topic? What is the property number, or what is that property? Property number is 14. Electrostatic condition. It's nothing but electrostatic condition. 14th one, right? So this is the answer. Hopefully everybody got. All of you done? Yes? No? Everybody understood? So hopefully if you are thorough with the concepts here, then it will be done for you, right? Just take a screenshot. We can proceed. Right? Over. Shall we move to the next problem? All of you. Yes, yes, no, बोलिए जल्दी. Yes, okay, चलो, yes. Go to the next problem. We'll go with 2001. So 2001 is also given for 1 mark. JEE 2001 question. So from this book, right? If you take this book, in this one, page number 433, and question number is 11th. If you have that one, you can check it out. You're saying that three positive charges of equal value of Q are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. So all are positive charges of value Q placed at equilateral triangle. The resultant lines of force, then the electric lines of force. So first option is given like this. See, number 1, I'll take B here, C here. Let me draw C. It's nothing but a D. All are positive charges. So all are positive charges. So first one he has given like this. First one, right? The first one. And second one. He has given a circle like this. He has given a circle. And next to third one. And fourth one is given like this. So third, exactly second one is given in different form. I'll show you. It's given like this. Right. Now, this is a question. Which is given in positive charges are there. There is no directions are given. Here also not directions are given. Just as it's keeping here. There is no directions. Just he has given. So no directions away from it. Now shall we discuss this problem? What is the correct answer? Anybody? What is the correct answer? C. Somebody saying C. Okay. C. Okay. C. Most of them giving the answers is C. Sushmita C. Or koi hai? Okay. Now see here in this one. Why first one is not correct? Because electric field do not form a closed loop. So they are not forming a closed loop. Or closed loop, this is a positive charge, this is negative. Both are positive charge. So positive will not meet at a point, right? That means positive and positive charges, electric field lines will not meet at a particular point. So what is this property number what we discussed? Positive. Second property, right? Okay. So that means this is failed. So they will not meet. If it is positive, this is negative, then it will be right option. Okay. Next to B option, if you take it as they are going away from it. So they are positive, positive, positive are there, and is showing that in this problem, some of them are meeting here. See here, these are meeting like this. Here also they are meeting like this. Here also they are meeting like this. 1, 2, 3. So two electric lines are meeting at a particular point. So this is also not possible, right? So this is also wrong. Now, if you see this one, these are completely circles. That means they are forming a closed loops. Closed loop, it is also not possible. So only possibility is there going away. Electric lines are radially outwards. Here radially outward, here radially outward, here radially outwards, and they are not meeting at any points. If they meet at any point, then it will be wrong answer. Right? So positive charges, and positive charges. So they will not meet at a particular point. So option will be C. Those who given correct answer. Congratulations. So many of them got C answer. Can you tell me? How many of them got C option? I got it. Shreya got it. Rupali got it. Rahana got. Tejita got. Next, Tina got. Okay. Got it. Chiluri got. Got it. Fine. Got it. Sure. We'll move to the next one. Next property will. Next question will go. Okay. Next question. We go for next question. Two 2003 question will go. 2003 JE. 2 marks, 1 mark question. This is 1 mark, and the question number is 10. Right? From this book, if you have this book, right? So from this book, 433 page number and 10th question. A metallic shell, a metallic shell has a point charge, Q, kept inside its cavity. Cavity means, you know that, right? Cavity, right? Cavity. Which one of the following diagram correctly represents electric lines? So electric lines, we have to identify correct electric lines of force. So option A, like this. Option B, we'll first draw. Option C, this inside is a cavity. Option D, right? So here it is a metal, right? This is nothing but it is there like this. Then go with electric lines is given. First one, option C is given. Next, A, B, C, D are there on the options, right? So let me tell what is the answer that you'll be getting. Let me see. Anybody option? Anybody? What are the options? A, B, C, D. What are the options? You have Stina, option C. Tejita, option C. Vagdevi, option C. Trisha, option C. Okay. So again, this condition. What is this condition? Answer correct is C. Those who got correct one, which is asked in JEE 2003, 1 mark. Urvi also got. So what is the property here? What is the property? With respect to which property we are able to conclude this is the answer? Anybody? बोल सकते क्या? What is the property of it? Which property? Based on which property we are able to say? Electrostatic condition. Electrostatic condition number 1. Next, electric field lines on the conductor, inside the conductor. Inside the conductor is 0, are present, aren't present. Okay. So inside the conductor, so this is nothing but a conductor material. So there is no electric lines inside. This is nothing but a cavity, electric lines. And one more thing is electric lines are perpendicular to the surface. You can see these are perpendicular to the surface. All the conditions are satisfying in this one. So this will be the correct one. Here it is passing through the conductor. Here it is passing through the conductor. It is passing through the conductor. So it is not correct, or this is not correct. Of course, they are obeying that they are perpendicular to the surface of that one. Is it clear? This one done? Everybody understood? Are you enjoying, all of you? Previous IIT confidence level बढ़ जाएगा. एक बोलता अरे मैं जेई का प्रॉब्लम कर दिया आज, ऐसे मैं और एक सब्जेक्ट में भी ऐसे करना बोल के you should get an inspiration. So this is what we'll be getting 2003 1 mark. Shall we move to the next problem? Yes, all of you. Chale. Right. We'll go to the next problem. Goods. How many of them did correct one? How many of them? C is the correct one. C option ticked. How many of them? Rupali. Okay. Oh, many of them. Many of the students. Okay. Congratulations. Then we'll move to the next problem. Shalo. I'll erase this one. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it. Then we'll move to the next problem. Next one. So this is, we'll be going to do, I think this is the third question, right? Third or second one? Third or second? Third one. Okay. Fourth one. We'll go to fourth one, which is given in MCAT, multi correct answer. MCAT, advanced question, we can say. MCAT, more than one correct options. So it is given in JEE advanced in a 2010 question. MCAT question. MCAT means multi correct answer. This is fourth question, right? Fourth one. So fourth question, what we are discussing. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, fourth one, right? So JEE advanced 2010 question, MCAT, multi correct option, more than one correct option will be the third question. This is third question. So fourth question. This is fourth question, right? Sir, no, we did 1996 one question, then 2001 question, 2003 question. So 2001 and 2003. This is the fourth question, right? 1, 2, and 3. Fourth question we are doing, right? Yes, fourth question, right? So now 2010 MCAT, and in this one, page number 443, 433 page number, and question number is 13th question, right? Let me write. There are few electric lines for a system of two charges are there. So a few electric lines of force of two systems, Q1 and Q2, are separated fixed at the two different points on along x-axis. If I take along x-axis, this is along x-axis, two charges are fixed. Let me take Q1 and another one is Q2. Like this, he has given Q1 and Q2 on x-axis. Then these lines suggest. So he has given like this. Options, first we'll write the options. Magnitude of Q1 is greater than magnitude of Q2. Option B is magnitude of Q1 is less than magnitude of Q2. Option C is at finite distance electric field E will be 0 at or towards at left to Q1, and option D is E is equal to 0 right to Q2 at right to Q2. So these are the options given. E is equal to 0 left to Q1, and E is equal to 0 right to Q2. Right. So let me draw the diagram for each. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. So here from here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 1 and 2. Let's like this. Right. Fine. Chalo. Have you noted down this problem? So this is a question asked in GE 2010 advanced question. MCAT means multi-correct answer. So what are the options that we have to take? First thing is here two charges are given, Q1 and Q2 of same charges. How we are able to say same charges? Because they are moving away. They're moving away. And here some are meeting at this particular points. This is a positive charge. Here also it is no, this is negative charge. Sorry, that means it is going inside. Here it is inside, right? Then only it can meet, right? So in this question he has given away from it is given. So question. So in this question, in this one, it is given away, but it is wrong. So diagram which is given in this book, which is Arihant 41 years. If you are having that book with you, just change it as. In this one, he has given away from it. This is two positive charges are given. Two positive charges according to given in that book. It is given two positive charges, but positive charges will not meet at this point. Definitely, it will be negative. Here, it should be towards. This is towards the charge, but in that book, it is given away from it. So away it is. Just you can make correction in that book. Fine. Okay, it's going towards. Sure. Now let me see this one. Q1 is greater than magnitude of Q1 and Q2, how they are related. So with what property we can say that magnitude? So what is the property that we discuss? Can anybody tell? What is the property that we discuss? Chalo. What is the property? Anybody can tell the property? Yeah. What is that property? Fourth property. Can anybody tell? What is the fourth property we discussed? What is the fourth property we discussed? Huh? What we discussed? Fourth property. Anybody? Fourth property. Number of electric lines are directly proportional to magnitude of charge. Very good answer by many of the students. Now here, how many number of lines are there? Q1 contains how many number of lines? Can anybody tell? How many number of lines at Q1? Q1 contains how many number of lines? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12. That means Q1 has 12 electric lines of force. And Q2 have how many number of lines? Can anybody tell? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Very good. So 8 lines are there. Now, as comparing the magnitude, the number of electric lines are directly proportional to magnitude of that field. Magnitude. Number of electric lines is directly proportional to magnitude of charge. So whose magnitude will be greater? Q1 or Q2? Q1 will be greater. This will be wrong answer, right? Q1 is less than Q2. Okay. Next, we have to decide E is equal to 0 at left of Q1, E is equal to 0 at right of Q2. Number one point, when we are discussing about the concept of null points, when we're discussing about null point concept, null point always lie towards smaller charge or bigger charge. Can you tell me? In the last classes, when we discussed the concept of null point, E is nearer to smaller charge. Harshini told very good answers. Steen also told. Shriya told it is towards the smaller charge. One confirmation, right? Already we did many problems based on that one. So always the null point, the electric field will be nullified nearer to the smaller charge. Okay, just you can revise the previous questions. That means whatever we discussed in the classroom yesterday in the last classes, just go through it and check it out. The electric field intensity nearer when you take a two system, third system is an equilibrium concept. At that point, if you see, the electric field intensity will be 0 nearer to the smaller charge. Okay, that means one conclusion we can say that there is no possibility towards left side, or it is in middle or outside. So if I take one positive charge, one negative charge, right? It will be inside or outside. Can you tell me it is inside or outside? Electric field intensity will be 0. In between or outside? In between or outside? In between it is not possible. Outside only possible. So let me again just recollect that information. If I take in between this one, for this positive charge, it is away or towards? Let us take it as E1 electric field due to first charge. E2 is the electric field due to second charge. It is away or towards? Away. That means this is nothing but away, which is nothing but E1, right? Next, if you take it as E2, it is towards or away? Towards. That means it is towards E2. So total it will be added. So E1 plus E2 added. So that means there is no possibility of null point in between the positive and negative charges. If you take it as outside, there is a possibility outside towards positive charge or towards negative charge away from the along that one. So that means here there is no possibility. Why? Because this is a bigger charge. Always it will be lying towards the smaller charge. That means the electric field can be nullified towards the smaller charge, right? Now that means here it will be nullified. So at this particular point, if I take electric field intensity will become 0. If you want to cross check it as, let me take E1 is the electric field due to the first one, E2 is the electric field due to the second one. If I take at this particular point, as this is a positive charge, it is away or towards due to Q1, E1 is away. That means it is nothing but away, E1. If I take for this particular point, it is towards or away? Towards. That means it is towards. So E2. So net if I take it as net is equal to 0. Towards where E is equal to 0, right of Q2. So first conclusion is it is a smaller charge and both are opposite in direction electric field. So this will be the correct answer. This is wrong answer because this is nothing but a bigger charge. Done, all of you? Clear? Any doubt you have? This one, any doubts? So how many of them got A and D answers correct? A and D, how many of them got correct answers? A and D. Shriya, Ashini, Dikshita, Tina, Gahana, Yavrve. So most of the students got this one, or at least one answer, two answers. Very good. Then we'll move to the next problem. Are you ready? Fifth question, which is asked in J. These are the questions from past 41 years. Asked 2 questions based on this electric lines of force. We are taking all the problems. Only 5 problems are asked till now. Okay. So based on that, we are taking. Right. Next, we'll go with the next question, which is asked in JEE 2015. JEE 2015 question. JEE 2015 question. Right. So this question number is how much? 8th question. This is 8th question from previous Arihant 41 years, previous IIT JEE questions. Let me take the question. It is JEE mains 2015 fifth question. So our fifth question, and that will be the 8th question in that one, is given a long cylindrical shell. Long cylindrical shell is there, carries a positive surface charge, sigma. So sigma is positive charge, positive surface charge, upper half, and negative surface charge, lower half, negative surface charge. So this is negative surface charge, lower half. Okay. Then the electric field lines around the cylinder will looks like how it will looks like. Let us see. So what is surface charge density? Surface charge per unit area. Okay. Charge per unit area is nothing but surface charge density or surface charge. So he has given A, B. First I'll take one sphere. Here I'll take one sphere. B, C, D. We'll make it as 2 halves. 2 halves, upper half and lower half. Right? Even in this book, upper half and lower. Upper half is positive charges, and the lower half is negative charges. Negative charge. Lower half. Here upper charge, positive charges, and the negative charges. Lower half is negative charge. Here upper half is positive charges, and lower half is negative charges. Upper half positive charge, and lower half is negative charge. So like this, 4 options A, B, C, D. The first option he has given, yes, right. We're getting nice diagrams here, right? Fine. First one. Second one, if you take. The second diagram, A and B. Third one, if you see. C1, if I take. Right. Last one. Right. C, B, C, D. Chalo. So this is the question. So just try to copy down this one. Done. So we have to explain why, if the answer is known to us, why the remaining options are wrong. So we have to explain both the things, why the other options are wrong, why it is correct. Fine. Chalo. Shall we start? So first, what is the answers? What is the answer? Anybody? Answer क्या है? Answer. Nobody? Nobody able to give the answer? Somebody is giving the answer. Option D. Option A. Somebody is saying option A. Option A. That means little confusion is there. Fine. Option D. Urvi option D. Vimala option D. Shreya option D. Gahana option D. Carefully see. So Rupali option A. देखो देखो carefully. ये देखो sigma equal positive and equal negative. दिमाग में लगाओ. Equal positive, equal negative. Equal positive, equal negative. This point you have to focus on this point. Equal positive. You have Tina D. Still anybody else? Which is the correct one? Equal positive, equal negative. D. Illuri D. D. Haindavi D. Arshini D. और क्या? Pranita D. और कोई है? So somebody is fixing with A. Rupali is going with A. So Rupali, you can see here clearly. Positive, number of positive and number of negative charges are equal. Equal means net should be zero. Net should be zero means all the lines coming from positive to end with a negative. Now will be your option is A still, or you'll change, Rupali? Will you change your option? Yes or no? Once again, I'm telling number of positive, number of negative charges are same. The number of positive and number of negative charges are same. The net will be zero. Okay, change. What is your answer now, Rupali? Can you tell your answer now? Number of positive is equal to number of net should be zero. When you are seeing from far distance, yeah, very good. Now coming back to explanation of this one, A is not a correct answer. Why? Because here number of positive charges, number of negative charges should be equal. Let me see here. Two lines are coming and joining here. Here two lines are coming and joining, but these lines are not meeting. They have to meet as number of electric lines. This and this from a far distance, far view, if you take it as far distance, the net should become what? Zero. All lines should meet. There is no possibility that they are not meeting, because this is positive charge, this is negative charge. Always positive should meet to negative. They should start at positive and should net at negative. So what is that property we discussed? Well, it has to start at positive charge and end at negative charge. That property is not satisfying in this one. And first property, that's all. This is not satisfied. And if I take C bits, C bit not at all possible. Why? Because C, why it is not possible? Can you tell me why it is not possible? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more thing. If you take it as 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 and 6 are there. Okay, that means equal number of electric lines are there on both sides, but they are not meeting. Okay, they're not joining. So this is also not possible. Is it fine? Next, if you go for this one, same reason we can say, of course, they are outside, they're not entering into this one. If they enter inside, so it will be wrong. So positive charges and negative charges going radially away from it, radially inwards, radially outwards, making an angle 90 degrees, but they are not meeting, right? It's a system. When it is a system, they should meet. Net should be 0. Okay. Now, क्या बच गया? एक ही बच गया. Here one electric line is there. You can see they're entering and leaving, but they're not passing through this one. That is one of the thing we can say. One property is satisfied. And here, if you take 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, all are closed. If you see from a longer distance, the net charge on it is 0 from far view. Okay, near view and far view. If you take it up, near view and far view. So net will be what? 0. Is it clear? This one, all of you? Is it done? Still, if you have any doubts, let me know at this particular junction. Done. If you have any doubts you have understood this problem, everybody? Hopefully you got an idea that, see, whenever we are starting any problem, we should be thorough with the theory. If you are thorough with the theory, definitely you can do all the problems. Just you did all the problems, they solve problems. Okay, with the help of you, I did problems. Not with my help, you did problems, right? So only thing to do previous JEE questions or advanced questions, right? The properties, first the content that you have it, you should be perfect with that one. Then you can do all the problems. I think hopefully you learned the new things today. If you are thorough with the theory concepts, then you can do this, all things. Is it right or wrong? Let me know. What I'm saying is correct or wrong? Huh? Yes or no? Boliye. Yes, everybody. Fine. See, most of the problems I'll be taking from this one. So whenever, I think first year students have this one, G1 students, most of them have, few of them, and I insisted last year also to buy this one, because we'll be doing directly, the confidence level will increases, not any other material. Of course, our college providing the material, even if you have, you can do that one. But if you do this problem, if you're doing at least one problem from this book, then you have a confidence level zero by, I did advanced level problem, I did mains level problem. So that means you'll be getting some idea about it. When I'm thorough with the theory, I can do any problem. So whenever you start a problem, go confidently with the theory concept. When you are confident with theory, then definitely you'll be getting. And conceptual understanding is very, very important by seeing this diagram. So most asked questions from previous 41 years in this book. Okay, this is the source that I am taking it as to explain the problems from this one. So this is only 5 to 6 questions asked in previous. Fine. Done, all of you? Enjoyed the class? Fine. Tomorrow will be the next class. I think hopefully tomorrow is Sunday, right? In the next class, we'll be starting electric flux, concept of electric flux. That will be starting in the next class. Any doubts till here? Anybody, any doubts? Nobody responding? No, sir. Okay. Happy Sunday.